In this video, you'll learn how to fix the issue where the Cloudflare Captcha is not showing on your website. This specific problem usually happens when your server's SSL certificate is invalid or has expired, and your Cloudflare SSL TLS setting is using strict mode. When that combination occurs, Cloudflare can't properly establish a secure connection to your origin server, and that can lead to errors on the site, including things like captchas not loading correctly. To get your site back online quickly, we're going to use a simple setting change inside your Cloudflare dashboard. This is a quick fix that restores access, so your visitors can reach the site again while you sort out the underlying SSL certificate issue on your server. First, log into your Cloudflare account and select the website where the captcha isn't showing. Once you're on that site's dashboard, look for the SSL TLS section in the left-hand menu. This is where Cloudflare manages how it connects securely to your origin server, and it's the main place you'll be working in for this fix. Click on SSL TLS and then stay on the Overview tab. Here you'll see the current SSL TLS encryption mode. In your case, it's most likely set to full strict. Full strict means Cloudflare will only connect to your server if it can verify a valid SSL certificate that hasn't expired, is properly signed, and matches your domain. That's a great security setting when everything is configured correctly, but if your certificate is invalid, misconfigured, or expired, it will block the connection instead of allowing an insecure or uncertain one. Because your server's SSL is invalid or expired, this strict requirement breaks the secure link between Cloudflare and your origin. As a result, Cloudflare can't fully render your site, which can cause functionality like the captcha to fail or even lead to generic error pages. To quickly restore functionality, you're going to change that SSL TLS mode. In the Overview tab, find the drop-down where it currently says Full Strict. Click on it and change the mode to Full. With the full mode, Cloudflare will still use HTTPS to connect to your server, but it won't enforce the same certificate validity checks that strict mode does. This relaxes the requirement enough for Cloudflare to talk to your server again, even if the certificate isn't perfect. After you switch from full strict to full, Cloudflare may take a short moment to apply the change. Usually it's almost immediate, but give it up to a minute. Then refresh your website in a private or incognito window, or try another browser to make sure you're not seeing a cached version. In most cases, your site will now load properly, and the Cloudflare captcha should start appearing again when needed. Keep in mind, this is meant as a quick way to get the site back online, not a permanent security solution. The real long-term fix is to install a valid, up-to-date SSL certificate on your origin server and then switch the SSL TLS mode back to full strict for maximum security. But if your priority right now is to restore access and fix the missing captcha, changing the mode from full strict to full in the SSL TLS overview is the fastest and most straightforward way to do it.